Hello, this is Seth Harden, Delta 8 News and etc. Today I made some tincture along with some brownies. I was going to talk a little bit about the tincture. There's a couple videos I've shared from a friend of mine, Cross-Eyed Nexus. He's a live stream and I've talked with him quite a bit on there. He's a pretty cool cat. A little far out. Yeah, makes him original. Makes him an original. Very different to talk to. Very cool to be on his live feed. Is a cool experience to be in with that chat. You find on Facebook or YouTube there. You find him. Subscribe to his stuff. Anyway, there's two videos on there of how to make tincture. I basically do it the same way. There's another video from somebody else. I don't know who that is, but I did go ahead and share it. And it just shows him stirring distillate in the MCT oil till it dissolves. What I have here is, let me see if I can't turn my camera around for some reason. Alright, is this oil, these two bottles I made of Delta 8 tincture. What I did is I used 10 grams. I got a syringe, a plastic syringe. And first of all, I measured out, this one I've used a little bit out of, to about the neck there. A little bit, right about where the bottle starts to round. That far there, because I want 5 grams to get in each one. I filled that full with MCT oil. Pour the oil into a Pyrex measuring cup. You do that 2 times, so you can do 2 bottles. It'd be nice to do more than that, but I have a 12 milligram syringe, so I use the or milliliter syringe. I use 10 grams. Heating that jar up, I heat the jar up in a frying pan with water in it. Slowly at first, as it gets a little bit softer there, I'll turn it up a little bit and move it around a little bit until it's very liquidy. And then I pull up in that syringe and I pour it into that. Well, I want to make sure my MCT oil is in that Pyrex there, in the Pyrex, in another pot of water. I need that to get hot first. Well, need to be hot at the same time. So I get that, I'll go ahead and get that pretty warm there to about the medium and let that get warm. And I'm then just checking them all a little bit, walking around a little bit. And as that, when it gets ready, I'll pull up 10 milliliters in that syringe. And I quickly squirt that into the Pyrex cup. Stir it around in there for a long time. Until I'm satisfied, maybe turn up the heat a little bit, that it's in there and the solution is totally mixed. There's some funnels that came with these. I got these from Amazon, $11 or something, free delivery for 12 of them with little funnels. Put the little funnels on the top and take it very carefully and pour from the Pyrex measuring cup into these little bottles. 5 grams approximately, actually 10 grams. We're looking of 60 milliliters. 30 milliliter bottles here. What you do is you take the 5 grams in the math of the 98.2%, and you get 982 milligrams per 1,000 milligrams, which is a gram. Okay, you take that. That's your math right there. So you basically take 5 times 980 or 982. And that's how you come up with the 4,910. Approximately 5 grams per bottle. I've used, I'll show you the bottle I've used this morning since I've made it. Since earlier on, since about noon, I made tincture pretty quickly, and I've used this much. This stuff is pretty strong to go out to kick in, but it's definitely worth it. Anyway, that's just a basic way to make your tincture. I'll try to make it kind of a directional, informative video on it if possible. Kind of limited on my camera angles. But I love you guys. Be safe. Love one another. Did want to share this. Hopefully it has some volume. I'll be moving things around. See what I can make happen here. Love you guys. Waiting on that mail, I bet. Happy holidays came and happy holidays is gone. Welcome to the new year. Hopefully it turns out well. Alright, love one another. take care of yourself. If not, hopefully someone will help you. And be blessed. Bye.